Some significant weather passed through here in Texas recently. In it was contained the life-saving element water in the form of rainfall. In my case, we received reasonable rainfall throughout our area. However, the extreme wind, resulting in the sound of sirens in some cases, has been a little bit damaging throughout the nation, just like the water itself. I wondered how much of our wildlife has been impacted by these tremendous onslaughts of weather. And then I also realized that the successful trait among all of these beings was that they continued to work despite the odds. In this video clip itself, you can see the wind topples a tomato vine, or at least pulls it free structurally from the spider's web. At this point, the spider automatically goes into action, repairing its web, and then eventually returning to its safe place to ride out the storm. Watch closely. I hope you enjoyed watching this scene as much as I did. I definitely appreciate sharing this with an interested audience, so it helps when you click on the thumbs up or enter comments into the comments area, and also when you subscribe. That really helps to boost clips like this across the algorithm, more than that, across the globe, and maybe even the universe. Until next time, peace, love, and all that old school stuff.